Welcome to the testing world. In this session, I'll show you a complete bug lifecycle in case of a valid bug. Valid bug means we are reporting a correct bug and that bug need to be fixed by the developer. I'm just moving to Jira and here we are taking example like this is my bug which reported. I'm logged in as a QA engineer and that's the bug that I have reported. So as of now, the status of the bug is open, means we have just reported that bug. One more thing, as of now, this bug is not assigned to any developer, means no developer is working on this issue as of now. So once the bug is reported as a tester, my responsibilities are over. Now other person, developer lead, developers are going to start on this bug. So I'm just logging out as a QA. So I am moving here, reported a defect by QA. So we have just done that as of now. Now developer lead will assign this defect to any developer so that developer can fix this issue. So I'm login as a TW developer lead. I am logged in as a developer lead. So first of all, I want to search like how many issues are in the open state. So I'm going for the search and I'm just searching in the open issues. So here we can see this MYP21 is displayed over there. So I got this is the defect. As I click on this, so it display complete information about this defect. I want this issue to be fixed by my developer. So I'm going to the assignee area and assigning it to the TW and I'm assigning it to the TW developer. So I have two developers, one is developer, one is senior developer. As of now, I'm assigning it to the developer. It's my first developer. Just select that name and yes. So this defect is assigned to my developer. So now the issue which reported by a QA engineer is assigned to the developer. So now this issue is to the developer bucket. Now developer will log in and verify it's a valid defect or not. We are taking example, it will be a valid defect, so developer will work on it. So I'm going over, I'm just log out and now I'm going to log in as a developer. So TW developer 1. So now I'm on a dashboard. Whatever the issues which are assigned to me will be displayed in this assigned to me window. So this MYP21 is assigned to me. I logged in as a developer. So I just go to this defect. I'm checking what all the details my tester has given over here. And yes, I want to start work on this. So I'm just taking it as to the in development. So now my issue is in development, means I'm working on it. I'm working on it and after 1 or 2 days, once the issue is fixed, the ticket on which I was working has been fixed, so I can set the status is fixed. Now it means from developer point of view, I have fixed that. I have merged my code in the latest build, in the new build. Which tester is going to get? I have fixed this issue. So here developer log in and verify that it's a valid defect. Yes, it was a valid because we are taking example of the valid bug. Developer worked on it and fixed it. So now my defect is fixed. Now whatever the code changes I have done, I will merge my code changes with the project, and then we will create a new build and we will give this build to the tester. Now tester can verify it on the new build, means whatever the changes I have done, it will go to the tester in a next build, in the new build. So I'm just login as a lead. So now I'll say developer lead will give new build to tester and set it set this defect is ready for testing. So I'm just login as a TW developer lead. So now new build has been done and I'm moving this defect for testing. So I set ready for testing, assigning this to the tester. So TW tester. So I'm assigning it to the tester. I'm logged out. Bug is fixed and ready for the testing again and assigned back to the tester. So I'm login as a now tester will log in and verify defect. So I'm login as a tester and here this bug is fixed and assigned back to me. So I'm just going to it. Yes, it is ready for testing. Then I'll take it to the in testing. Yes, I'm working on this and I'm verifying this bug, all the scenarios. I'm going to my application again, and this time again I'm performing all the steps. So I perform that and now I found correct output. I'm taking example. Yes, this defect is fixed. Moving to the Jira, and yes, I have verified. So verified this defect on build 112. So whatever the build you have used, this defect on the build 112, it's working as expected. So we can mark it closed. So means it is fixed. Also we have the option of the attachment. I'll show you how we can attach our snapshots. So best practice is that whenever we are getting issues, whenever we are getting defect, or whenever the issue is fixed, we can take screenshot. Like I'm just starting the MS Paint, pasting it, and we can show yes it is fixed. So like yes, we are getting that output. We can save it like MYP21 was the defect name. I saved it with the defect name, and so we can attach with the defect. So here as of now we are not getting attachment option. I'll show you how we can go for the attachment. So once everything is done, we can make the comment add and now close this defect. So important functionality, like whenever we are reporting a defect or whenever we are closing a defect, it's best practice to go for the attachment. So as of now I'm just closing it and my defect is closed. So that was the complete cycle in which QA reported a defect. That defect is assigned to any developer. Developer fixed that defect. Again QA verified, and if verified successfully, then closed it. So that's a bug lifecycle in the case when we are taking a valid bug example. And this bug lifecycle could be changed as per the company workflow, because here we can get the option of the workflow. My company workflow is that we can select like after open, it could be in development, then fixed, ready for testing, in testing, closed. But it depends on, like, company can have different life cycles. That is the most common life cycle I have seen. So That's why I have taken this life cycle for this session. That's all we have for this session. Thanks for watching this video.